Where you come from? Thailand. So three of them here, they're like the best friend. All the small family. These two, they're friends, they're best friend. This one, name Thai, 43 years old. Nongrat, 35. Lily, 18. So female elephant, they don't have tusks, no long tusks, only small. If you see elephant big tusks, that mean male. Without tusks, female. Male, female, they don't want to be together. They come only want to have baby. So if you see big family in the jungle, in the wild, 50, 60, all of them female, no male. Male want to be alone. But if elephant, one male, one female have little baby. If they have boy baby, they live with the mother 10 years, 10, 15, and they go away. But female live with the family whole life. So you never see male, female together. So this century we have only female. Yes. This one from elephant riding, elephant show, elephant logging. They carry the tree before, the dancing before, they carry people before. But three of them, they are friendly. You like to say hello to them, touch them you can. So pass the trunk here. They let me pat around the trunk here, no backside. You want to kiss them, you can kiss her, this one. You can kiss her, she's friendly.
Not my type.
I'm so kissing that elephant.
As if you say not your type.
Not my type.
Oh, beautiful. Amazing creatures, aren't they?